welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa and I'm back with another video, you guys. As y'all can see from today's video, I will be installing this 5x5 closure that was sent to me by Unice, the Amazon store. Just a disclaimer real quick, y'all gonna see me struggle to try and give myself some layers, because the look I was going for today is like, you know, that layered look. I tried to attempt it, but it didn't turn out how I expected it to turn out, so I was just like panicking and I didn't know what to do. When I cut the video off, y'all, I was just standing in the mirror. I was like, oh my god, I messed this wig up. But then I had to figure out what to do with it real quick. Instantly curls popped in my head, you guys, so I decided to just put some curls in it real quick, and I think it came out pretty cute. It was very like quick, fast, and straight to the point, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to my channel. Get notified every time your girl posts a brand new video. I'm thinking of more content to do other from hair videos. If you want to see how I struggle to get this look, then keep on watching. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this 5x5 lace closure that was sent to me by Unice. You guys, like, y'all clearly see how I freaking overplucked this damn wig, and not only did I overpluck this wig, but y'all, I am going to attempt to give myself some layers. Y'all see how this hair is just looking perfectly fine. I should have just went with my first gut and just stick to the curls, but I'm like, I want to try something different, y'all. So I'm like, okay, I don't want a straight wig and I don't want no curls. I just took out curls, so let me try put some layers in my hair, y'all. But y'all gonna see. But yeah, I prepared my wig. I basically prepped my wig on my manicured head before I put it on, and like I told y'all, I did overpluck this wig. Oh my god, is it bad? Like, let me know in the comments if it's bad or not. Like, yeah. But anyways, I just went in with my black Ebon extra hold spray, and I left that on for about like 15 minutes while I did everything else that I had to do, y'all. So I'm just gonna use my band and just wrap that around the hair, and then I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come back on here. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going in with my foundation, and then I'm just gonna apply that to the part so the part can look extra crisp, because I did pluck it, but I just wanted to give it a little more natural look. So I did go in my part, and I did spray some my Fantasia heat protectant on it. That's why it's looking so silky. And then I just ran my hot comb through that again, y'all. I love my hot comb. I use it every chance I get just because it makes the hair like super flat, and I'm a flat queen. I don't like bulks, humps, or nothing like that. Even though I don't do like a braid down under my wigs, that's because my mom is not here to braid my hair down, y'all, and I only let my mama braid my hair down.
Okay, y'all, so right here I'm basically gonna finish like running the flat iron through the hair. Like, I'm not doing it perfect or anything like that, because as I'm doing it, I'm saying to myself, like, I really don't want like just straight hair. Like, this hair is, it just makes my head look funny. Like, oh my god, y'all, I don't even know like what it is, but like, it depends on the wig, I would say. Like, some wigs I don't want edges, but some wigs like this wig I need edges, and some wigs like this wig I should just left this straight, because I don't know why the hell I want to attempt to cut it. Like, it don't make no sense, y'all. But y'all gonna see me struggle and try to fix it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I went to go do a little bit digging, try to see if I can get some index on this style that I'm doing. Well, not index, but like context, like basically a outline, basically like an architectural plan, you know. So I seen the little girlies like tying their hair up like this, but then, y'all, I realized I only had one scrunchie. I'm like, oh my god, what the hell I'm gonna do now? So I pinned it with a pin, right? I said, this ain't gonna work. So I took the pin out. I'm gonna take the pin out and I'm gonna take the scrunchie out. I said, okay, I'm just gonna do it, freelance it. I'm just gonna look at it and just cut it. Like, I think I'm gonna do it right. Now, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Like, y'all, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, okay? But I'm gonna fix it in the head. Don't worry. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me struggle a little bit. But I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. I was almost gonna give the girl a bob, but I had to catch myself. But yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna fix it. Y'all just wait and see. Okay, y'all, so after I done fucked the wig up, in my head I'm like, okay, let me just flat iron and see if it's gonna give like the layer look or whatever, y'all. But y'all, this was like giving bob in the front and like long in the back. And then there I go again trying to fix this shit, knowing I already fucked it up. Y'all, this was a mess. But hopefully, thank God, matter of fact, that I fixed it and I just make it did what it did. Okay? All the links to this hair will be in the description box as well. Make sure you go check out my people at Unice. I love working with Unice. Like, they are the longest company that I have like a business relationship with. Like, their wigs are super good, 10 out of 10. I never gotten a bad wig from them. I freaking love Unice. So make sure y'all go shop Unice, okay? Period. And also, y'all, if y'all see me keep brushing, that's because the hair was like touching my skin, and I don't like hair touching my skin, like poking me. So that's why I kept brushing. But y'all, just enjoy the rest of this little install, okay? Period.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. With what you go. I wanna be down.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. Yes, I did overplug a little too much, but that's okay, because by far, if you look at me from far, you can't really tell. But if you look at me from close, you can tell. So don't just like back it up, okay? I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to leave a comment down below, you guys. All the links to this hair will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much to Unice Amazon storefront for sending me this wig. I freaking loved it. Like, I love Unice. Like, Unice is like my top 3 companies to get hair from. So make sure you click the link in the description box and check out Unice Amazon store, period. And I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.